sa iyo. Sa araw na ito'y espesyal, nawa'y laging masaya ka at puno ng pagpapala. Buhay mo nawa'y mapasaya.
Ito yung senior ano namin, senior. Oh.
Teka lang.
Oh, sobo.
Baka kasi hindi maganda yun.
Sobuan.
Chef Jerry, happy birthday. Good health. Sana ako kahit hindi ka na dito sa region nakatrabaho, patuloy mo kaming gabayan sa ating grupo na KTP Riders Club. Marami pa tayong rides. Ulit, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pards. Enjoy your retirement day. At saka more rides to come para enjoy ang life. Happy birthday again. God bless.
Happy birthday, Chief Jerry Del Cruz, mahabang buhay. God bless. Tagay na yan, mamaya.
Chief, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Chief Jerry!
Happy birthday, Sir Jerry. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Sir Jerry! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo!
Happy birthday, Sir Jerry!
Hello, sir! Happy birthday!
Hi, Boss Jerry. Happy birthday. Many birthday years to come.
Happy birthday, Sir Jerry. Happy birthday.
Po sa aming security officer, safety officer, Kuya Jerry De La Cruz. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come and more group rides to come para sa KTP Riders. Happy birthday po ulit. And happy retirement age. Kuya Jerry, happy birthday. Maraming salamat po.
Happy birthday, Sir Chief President. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa'yo. Ngayon ay birthday mo, ikaw ay maligaya. Ayun, happy birthday, Sir Chief. Ang samot dalangin namin sa'yo ay laging malusog at masiglang pangangatawan, puso at isipan. Ulangin ka ng pagbiyaya at pagpapala ng buong may kapal. And of course, continue to be a blessing to others. Enjoy and make a happy face, happy heart every day. Ayan, God bless. I-celebrate na yan. Yahoo! From Reynes Family and KTP Riders Club.
Chief Pres, happy birthday. More power, and ngayon kung ka na retired, nasa retirement ka na. So enjoy sa sa outside world ng region. Good luck. Thank you.
Sir, happy birthday! God bless you!
Sir Jerry, happy birthday. More rides to come. Happy birthday, sana haba pang buhay mo.
Sir Jerry, happy birthday. Sana marami pa birthday na darating sa buhay mo. Good health.
Happy birthday! KTP President! Chief De La Cruz!
Sana
marami pang birthday natin marating.
Chief, happy birthday. Enjoy your retirement.
Your friendship is a gift we all should cherish. More rides and adventures with you. Happy birthday.
Hi,
Sir Jerry. Happy birthday po. Sana po good health lang po lagi para po lahat po ng rides po natin ay makasama po tayo.
Wish lang po namin na mas marami pa pong birthday na mag-celebrate kasama kami. And more rides.
More rides.
Ingat ka po palagi. Stay healthy. Kahit po na kasi sa DJ. sana lahat ka pa rin po namin kasama sa mga rides.
Tama.
Yung huli lang po, hindi ka talaga sumahan mga kapyo. Happy birthday,
Happy
DJ.
birthday po.
Good morning, press. No? Alam namin ito yung araw niyo na magkape. Pero itong araw, ito isa sa mahalagang araw mo ngayon. Kaya happy 65 birthday sa iyo. Naway pagpalain ka ng may kapal. Bibigyan ka pa niya ng haba ng buhay. At syempre, good health. Ha? At ito ang pinaka-the best na wish ko sa iyo ngayon. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Cheers.
Hi, Sir Jerry. Happy birthday.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana hindi tayo malasing.
Are always there for you. May your life be filled with joy by the people you love, and all your dreams may all come true. Don't worry about the problems, because we're here for you. We will support you